Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create Bitmoji and link with Snapchat account. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon to the top left corner and tap on create my avatar, and you can scan your face here, or you can manually select your gender and select here your skin tone and select your hair color, select your hairstyle, and you can change your hair color from this list, and you can select your eye shape, eyelashes. So design your avatar according to your requirements, and after that tap on save, and here you can see the Bitmoji has been successfully linked to my Snapchat account. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.